Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe, Anwa Sasam. This is a Konkani style fruit salad which is a must try recipe during this summer as it's very refreshing and it's made of fruits. Anwas means pineapple and Sasam means mustard. So let's see how to make this unique recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and when it turns grey, press the bell icon to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, we need 1 cup of chopped pineapple, 6 to 7 grapes. Mangoes can also be added, it is optional. Here I haven't added. Half a cup of grated coconut, 1 or 2 dry red chili, 1 tablespoon jaggery, a small size tamarind and half a teaspoon mustard seed. Mustard, jeera and curry leaf for tempering. Firstly, in a mixer, we will be adding the grated coconut, dry red chili, jaggery, tamarind and mustard seeds and little water and grinding it until we get a fine paste. In a bowl, we will be adding the fruits and the masala paste which we had earlier prepared and mixing it well. Add salt and mix well. In a kadai, add oil, mustard seed, jeera and curry leaf and prepare the temper. Add the tempering to the anwa sasam. Now your anwa sasam is ready. It is best to have this dish when freshly prepared as the fruits can react with the coconut and get spoiled when kept in room temperature for a long time. Leftovers can be refrigerated. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.